Hello everyone. Today we are excited to introduce the cartridge form of waxing or the roll-on waxing. This is a cartridge form of waxing. This is the most hygienic form of waxing as we use one cartridge per customer. It is a liposoluble wax which is an oil-based wax. So even if you have a tendency to sweat a lot, don't worry. This is your one-stop solution. This is a very effective form of depilation, which is the theory or the method of removal of hair. It uproots hair from the roots as well as takes out the ingrowth hair. One thing that I would mention about Depilive company, the one that we are using, this is completely made up of vegetable and fruit extracts. They do not use California at all. California are raisins, which is responsible for skin sensitizer and also responsible for causing allergic dermatitis. So Depilive, and also one more thing about Depilive, this is a completely professional brand. You will never get a Depilive roll-on wax as of now in any kind of store or shop where you can purchase and do it in your house. This is a complete professional and a salon range brand. I will today show you how this process happens and how it is very hygienic for everybody. We will first start by taking a tissue and first cleansing the client's hand nicely, wiping the client's hand, because to remove the dirt, the sweat that the client has come from, probably she has used some kind of moisturizer also. So we first need to clean the client's hand. My therapist has made sure that she is taking care of all the hygienic protocol. Now we are taking the pre-base. Pre-base is actually used to absorb the dirt and the moisturizer that is present in the hand or leg or the part where the waxing has to be done. One thing that I would mention about the roll-on wax is it is heat controlled. We do not feel the heat so much. There are times when the client gets irritated with the heat. So just because it is an oil soluble, it's an oil soluble or a liposoluble wax, so the heat is very much controlled. After we apply the pre-base, we need to wait for a little time for the pre-base to absorb thoroughly and nicely in the skin. The advantages that I would talk about is it removes detan. It's a very good, if somebody's hand is completely tanned, it is very effective. It removes detan. It uproots hair from ingrowth. It smoothens the skin. It has bee wax which naturally nourishes the skin. It moisturizes the skin with natural oil. It has glycerol rosinate and non-allergic that provides delicate yet superior gripping strength. It is completely 100% California free and easy and gentle spread by titanium dioxide that also soothes and reduces the redness by venting out the extra heat. Normally we see redness happening, so with this roll-on wax we will not see. And the best part is we use one roll-on per client. Now we will start the application. My therapist is applying on the client's hand and one stroke we apply. We can apply the roll-on directly on the skin, or we can take it, we can put it in the waxing strip and then apply it. Also that can happen. So how nicely we can see the wax has come out. And one thing that I would like to show you is the amount of tanning and the dirt that has come out. I'll closely show you. See, the hair and everything has come out completely on the strip. Even tanning, extra tanning has come out. I would like to ask the client how she felt. मैम आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पूरा मेरा टैनिंग जो था पूरा रिमूव हो जा रहा है. इनग्रोथ जो है वो सब भी हट जा रहा है. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आपको हीट लगा?
एकदम एकदम नहीं मैम.
आपको पेन फील हुआ मैम?
नहीं, थोड़ा सा भी नहीं.
Thank you, ma'am. So this is what I was talking about. So it is painless, it reduces pain, it is non-allergic, it softens the skin, it reduces the risk of redness and skin blemishes. If we go to see, can I see the skin? आप थोड़ा सा स्किन को दिखाइए. See, there are no kind of rashes that has come. This is a live demo that I'm doing. Because of this natural extract that's there in this wax, so what happens is that it gives you a skincare benefit also. It is suitable for all skin type, and it has natural ingredients such as aloe vera, witch hazel, candula, oats extract, which gives conditioning to the skin. Now what she will do is she will apply the pre-base. Now she will apply the post-base actually, sorry. Post-base is applied so as to clean whatever is remaining. And the client is done. Now one thing that we can do is, either if anything is left behind in the cartridge, what we suggest is the client takes it home, or we keep it with the client, or we write the name down in that particular cartridge and keep it with us, so that the next time if she comes, she can use the same cartridge. This is the best form of hygienic form of professional waxing method. We are offering home services. You can contact us at 7278691780 for home services and packages and rates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please do share this video among your friends and family and people who would like to go for this hygienic, most hygienic form of waxing. Thank you so much. Have a great day.